Welcome back to Happy Place Cooking. Today I'm going to be making a casserole. I do love casseroles. This is going to be almost a one-pot casserole. I'm going to do it in quick fashion because I am going to use instant rice rather than long cooked rice. This is sort of going to be in the style of a breakfast casserole, but I'm making it a little more, I guess, dinner friendly. Even though I love to eat breakfast for dinner, so it's good no matter what. I think this will be a good recipe. I'm really hoping it turns out good. I'm kind of winging it on the ingredients because of using the instant rice. Keep your fingers crossed. Let's get started. I'm going to start with getting my turkey sausage. It's turkey breakfast sausage. I'm going to start getting that browned up. I need it to be basically mostly done because this is not going to be in the oven an extreme amount of time since I'm doing this recipe with instant rice. So I need this to be mostly cooked. I am going to go ahead and season this with some Mad Dog seasoning. This one is a little more, it's like garlic, onion, bell pepper, salt. So it's a little more along the lines of what you might add. Since I don't add onions, this will give it a nice little onionish flavor, or help to. If you like, or everyone that's eating it likes onions, bell peppers, I would totally suggest to get fresh and put those in. I have finished browning my burger. I have greased my pan. Now I'm going to add a layer of shredded hash browns to the bottom. And I'm going to add in my 1 cup of instant brown rice. And you could use whatever instant rice you want to use. If you're going to use non-instant, the long cook rice, then you're going to have to do a lot longer in the oven. And I'm going to go ahead and add my burger to that. Spread that out a little bit. I have about 1.5 cups of chicken broth. I'm going to pour that as evenly as possible over the entire dish. Probably going to have to keep an eye on this because if the rice isn't cooking well, I may have to add more water. And then I have 1 cup of heavy cream. And I'm going to go ahead and add some cheese into this. And I'm feeling like I'm going to want more water. I really do feel like I want more water. I think I'm going to add just some water to this. I'm going to go ahead and just pour about 3/4 cup more water over the top of all of this. And I know my hash browns are probably going to add a little bit of moisture to this. Now, I have my oven preheated to 375. I think this is going to cook for probably 25 to 30 minutes total. I'm going to take it out in about 15 minutes and see where it's at. If it seems like the rice is cooking up good and will only go for another 10 minutes or so, then I'm going to add my biscuits to the top. But I am not going to put those on yet. I want to make sure that the rice is cooking good before I add those biscuits. It has been about 25 minutes and this is mostly cooked. Now I'm going to add the biscuits to it. Let's scoot these over a little bit. 1, 2, 3, we'll do 4 across. I have like 4 extra biscuits here. So I'll just cook those up separately and save them for something else. Jesse can just have some biscuits with his, I don't know, lunch or something. And I am going to add cheese to the top. Now once this is done, which probably 10 to 12 minutes, once this is completely done, I'll get it out, plate it up, and I'll have Jessie tell you what it tastes like. That looks really, really good. Plate some up. Oh yes, that looks amazing. Okay, Jessie's gonna give it a taste test. What do you think?
That's good.
Is it good?
Very good.
Rice cooked okay?
Yes.
Hash browns cooked good?
Perfecto.
Awesome. And the biscuits are cooked good.
Yep.
No gooey biscuit. Perfect cook. Awesome. Thanks for watching. Happy eating.